To buy a Fidelity mutual fund, the first step is to create a Fidelity account if you do not already have one. Visit the Fidelity website and click on the Open an Account option. You will need to provide some personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and employment details. Make sure to follow the prompts carefully and read any agreements or disclosures before submitting your application. Once your account is set up and funded, head to the investment section of the Fidelity website. Use the search bar to find the specific mutual fund you are interested in. You can browse through categories or use filters based on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Each fund will have detailed information available, including its performance history, fees, and investment strategy. After selecting the fund you want to purchase, click on it to view the fund's details. Review all the information presented to ensure it aligns with your investment strategy. When you are ready to buy, click on the Trade or Buy option. Enter the amount you wish to invest and confirm the transaction details. Take a moment to review the total costs, including any commission fees, if applicable. Finally, submit your order and wait for a confirmation notification from Fidelity. Keep an eye on your email for updates, and once your purchase is completed, you will be able to monitor your investment through your Fidelity account. Make sure to periodically review your investments to ensure they continue to meet your financial goals.